Did he turn up? Did he? He did not turn up. Do you know why? He knows all of you as schemers. You are schemers. All the people you saw at Kororo, you are just scheming for something private to your own selves, not to him, not to the CDF, for your own selves. First of all, his father has just been re-elected. He's not even sworn in. What is the impatience about? Why don't you allow him serve his term? First of all, why don't you allow him swear in and then he serves his term? Maybe you come towards the end of his 7th term. What is the impatience about? Secondly, his mother is sick. Do we organize celebrations in Africa when there is a sick family member in a home? Do we? You are just schemers. You are schemers. You are nothing else. You are schemers and he knows you. That's why the CDF did not turn up. He knows you. You are schemers scheming for political promotions. Promotions in the police and the military. Looking for jobs. For fortunes from government. For free things from government. For husbands. For boyfriends. For extra concubines. You are not a serious group. You are not a serious group. You are just fortune hunters. Pretending to be supporting Muhoozi Kainerugaba. He knows you. He knows that you are all pretenders. That after stealing from government, you dress in a t-shirt with his portrait in order to survive investigations. He knows. He knows. You are not a serious group, should not be taken seriously. That is why you are impatient, you are scheming, the father has not been sworn in, the mother is sick, you are so careless, so insensitive, no feelings at all. You are there celebrating, but the good thing, he let you celebrate alone. Thank you, Muhoozi.
All the circles supporting General Muhoozi for the next presidency. We are here. We love him so much. I'm a PR of Arambe, United of the Armed Forces, and she is my chair. So we are here. General, we love you so much.